From Actionable Ops, here's how to run multiple frontier models on one hard problem. Mixture of Agents lets you route a single prompt through several models and aggregate their best thinking. Mixture of Agents is a virtual model provider. Each named preset appears as a selectable model under the MOA provider. The preset has two parts: reference models that run first and provide analysis, and an aggregator that writes the final response and makes tool calls. Use it when a hard task benefits from multiple model perspectives but still needs the normal agent loop: tool calls, follow-up iterations, interrupts, and session context. Here's what happens each turn. First, Hermes resolves the selected preset by name. Then it runs the reference models without tool schemas, so those calls stay cheap and avoid strict provider rejections. The reference outputs are appended as private context for the aggregator. Then the aggregator runs with the full Hermes tool schema. If it calls tools, those execute normally. On the next iteration, the same process repeats over the updated conversation, including tool results. You select a MOA preset through any normal model picker. In the CLI or TUI, use /model with the preset name and -- provider MOA. In the dashboard or desktop app, a Mixture of Agents provider row appears with your preset names as its models. Configured presets show up wherever you would pick any other model. You can configure presets from the dashboard, the desktop app, or the terminal. Use Hermes MOA configure to create or update a preset. The config stores explicit provider and model pairs, so you can mix providers freely. The default preset uses GPT-5.5 as a reference and Claude Opus 4.8 as the aggregator. You can set separate temperatures for references and the aggregator and cap the max tokens. The results speak for themselves. On Hermes Bench, a two-model MOA preset with Claude Opus 4.8 aggregating over a GPT-5.5 reference scores 0.82. That beats Opus alone by 6 points and GPT-5.5 alone by 8 points. The MOA configuration lifts quality on hard tasks rather than just averaging the two. That's Mixture of Agents, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.